between the sound as we feel, as we hold on to a rhythm. Where can we go as we sing, as we hold on to a rhythm? You ever felt your heart beating as you feel your soul repeating? You ever felt your soul holding on as you hold on, as you repeat your thoughts? So where can I go and where can I stand outside you? Where can I go and where can I see the sound of the distance? Where can I go? Where can I stand as we hold on to the rhythm? People don't think that way no more as we hold on. 1,000 people feel the same way as I hold on to the rhythm. You ever felt so lost and confused from the world you know, holding on to the rhythm? Nobody, nobody knows. Nobody knows. You ever felt like you were there to hold on to your rhythm? But we hold on as we see ourselves fall. We hold on to our rhythm of our soul. We hold on to the rhythm of our soul. Our soul. Every little breath I take, I just don't know where to go. Somewhere between the dotted line, we hold on to our soul. We hold on to our rhythm as we feel a changing in our life, as we hold on to our rhythm of our soul. hold on to our rhythm in our soul. People don't think that way no more than we discover. Don't tell me how you really wanna find me. Don't tell me the rhythm of my soul. Don't tell me how you feel in your soul. So don't tell me how you feel in your crossroads. So don't tell me how you feel in a crossroad of my dream. I let it all go. Dream Let Go. That's what it's called. I need some sound. Friends, people that listen. Try to get my sound out there. If you like it, please message. Thank you.